Hello and welcome to another firmCHANNEL tutorial. Today we'll be going over RS232. RS232 is a protocol used by display manufacturers which will allow our software to control the display remotely. Control that has never been possible in firmCHANNEL can now be accomplished using RS232. We now have the ability to turn the TV on and off remotely, as well as set schedules for these commands to be executed at a later time. So to get started, we're going to jump over to the RS232 command management area. As you can see, I already have the Samsung LCD power on command created. Next step we're going to do is create a new RS232 command. We're going to give it a name. This command is going to be used for turning the power off on the display. So by looking in the manual for that specific display, it should have the RS232 commands. If not, you'll want to contact a manufacturer or check their website. Sometimes they have them posted there. But I have the manual here, so I'm just going to look to see what command will turn this display off. And then we put that command in here, as well as the OK response. This is a response that the TV will send the player to say that it ran the command successfully. And then the query command, which will then query the TV to make sure that this is done successfully as well. So these commands are all retrieved from the manual. And then lastly, required will make sure that this command is active when it's selected down on the player. So if someone was to come up and turn the TV on when we have it scheduled to be off, it would automatically turn the TV back off. And that's the same thing for when the power is being turned on the display. If it's set to be required and someone comes along and turns our TV off, it'll automatically see that the schedule is set for this display to be on from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it'll automatically turn it back on. So as we're looking here, this Samsung LCD power on command already has a schedule set from 9 to 5. We're going to go ahead and apply the schedule to the new command that we just created. Click on the schedule button, add schedule. We're going to have our TV turn off from 5:01 p.m. until 8:59 a.m. Add schedule. There you have it. And we also want to apply this command down to a player. So we're going to check the player tab, modify players, and select our sample player. So now you'll see our sample player not only has a power on command, has a power off command as well. So at 9 a.m. this TV will automatically turn itself on and will remain on even if someone comes up and turns the power off until 5 p.m. in which case 5:01 will hit and the RS232 command will then turn the TV off. We've set up the RS232 commands in such a way that you can create all your different manufacturer models of monitors on here and then apply them to all the players that are using those displays. So instead of recreating these commands over and over again, we could come up with a list of all the players that are using Samsung displays with the same model and apply it all to those players as well. And that's how you create RS232 commands in the firmCHANNEL system. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email support@firmchannel.com. Have a good day.